What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and in today's video we are going on a midnight drive in Compton. I think they're going towards like halfway to San Diego. I'm not sure though, so we'll just kind of see where that goes. But I just got gas and I'm gonna head over there. It's 36 minutes away, so hopefully the drive ain't too bad. But yeah, if y'all enjoy, you know, like, subscribe, do all that. And I'm going alone today. I ain't got nobody to go with, so yeah, we're just gonna see how that goes. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. I feel like my luck is gonna run out soon, but I mean, you know, I'm gonna just have fun, because I'd rather do this and sit at home and do nothing, because I don't got nothing to do. And I haven't been to one of these meets in like a month now, so I'm like, I'm gonna just go back. And it's cold tonight. It's like hella cold, and I don't know why. It might just be me, but my car feels faster. I'm not gonna lie, it do feel a little faster. It feel a little better on the pedal, so we're gonna see how that plays into the races. I won't be driving. I'm gonna be doing the voiceover, and my friend will be driving, so I'm not the one, you know, driving. And any of the races that are done, they're all fake, you know. I ain't doing none of that. We don't do that. And yeah, but I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm there, because my GoPro is like already 50% battery. I didn't get to charge it all the way, so I'm gonna try and be careful with the way I record. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so we just ran into some random traffic for, I don't even know what. Is he getting off? Bro, he's climbing off the road. We just ran into traffic for I don't even know what reason, so I'm gonna be 20 minutes late, and they're not gonna wait 20 minutes, so hopefully I can get there in time before they all dip. If not, I got the route, so I just kind of, you know, there's a lot of lowriders out for no reason. I don't know if there's a car meet right now or like it ended, but there's a lot. Oh yeah, and there's a lot of Mustangs too, and Chargers. I don't know why, but we got people climbing over the edge. There's Jeeps climbing. I can't even see. I can't show you right now, but hold on, let me try and get right here. But people are he just climbed over the edge. But I got a low car, I can't do that. I gotta see through this. But we still not even there. We barely moving. There's hella lowriders. I thought my lights were blue, and then I'd be seeing purple everywhere, because one of the lowriders got purple lights. That's pretty cool, but I don't know where he went. But yeah, we still ain't there yet. I'm gonna just go to the second spot. I'm not even going to the first spot, because they're leaving right now. So I'm gonna just meet them at the second spot. Hopefully I get there on time. Alright, y'all, so we basically there. My friend was driving with his Mustang. We just switched seats right now. Yeah, he went to a different car. But yeah, he was driving with his Mustang. How's he backing up? But he was driving with his Mustang. They cut up the whole way, and we're here. It looks like everybody's here. I don't know how long we're gonna stay here, but see if I'll park next to him, talk to him. Bro, you better not hit my car. Alright, y'all, so we found the meet, and that Mustang I was cutting up with, it was two girls, so we just talked. But that was crazy. But yeah, we're finna go to the next spot. It's 18 minutes away. It's probably like 10 minutes the way we drive. But I think she's gonna follow me, but I might race, because I always race when I do this, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Hopefully she can keep up. We'll see. But yeah. That thing is so loud. God damn. Jesus. God damn. Oh yeah, twin crash. That's crazy. Alright, so we're on our way to the last spot. I guess we all driving slow now because dude crashed, so we're just gonna take a chill. Yeah, last spot's in Baldwin Park. It's 40 minutes away, so. Bro, it's cold as hell. Like, god man, why is it so freaking cold? mind. I thought we were gonna race right now. Alright, y'all, so we're pulling up to the last spot right now. I thought it was way more the other way, but I guess it's right here. So, are we gonna chill? Probably. I don't even know. But, yeah, it should be basically the end if I don't get more clips later. But, yeah.